Are you looking for an alternative solution for body discomfort? Let me introduce you to my little friend, Deep Blue, the soothing blend. In this video, I will talk about the properties of Deep Blue and some of the usage tips, and pretty soon you'll discover why this is a favorite product for some celebrities and athletes. For example, former NFL running back Tim Hightower and comedian Kevin Hart claim this product as one of their favorites. doTERRA Deep Blue is a powerful essential oil blend that offers immediate soothing effects for the skin. Comforting and cooling, Deep Blue is popularly used after activity as part of an after-sports massage. There are 8 essential oils combined synergistically to create a powerful blend. We have the blue or German chamomile, wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, ylang-ylang, helichrysum, blue tansy, and osmanthus. These essential oils provide rejuvenating benefits and provide soothing comfort to the back, legs, and feet. Let's go into a deeper dive with these essential oils that are in this blend. We have wintergreen. This is a key component of Deep Blue. The primary chemical constituent of wintergreen essential oil is monoterpene ester menthol salicylate, which is often combined with lotion and used to soothe muscles. Helichrysum is a rare but powerful essential oil. There are over 600 species of helichrysum throughout the world. Blue tansy essential oil is used in a massage to provide a soothing sensation on affected areas. It is also beneficial to the skin. The sweet floral of ylang-ylang or ylang-ylang is prized in the perfume industry. Topical application of this tropical oil provides a calming, positive atmosphere. Osmanthus essential oil is used for irritated skin. The pleasing fragrance of osmanthus also makes it popular in the perfume industry, although it is rare and pricey. It takes approximately 200 pounds of osmanthus flowers to extract a single ounce of osmanthus essential oil. The intense cooling sensation of Deep Blue is due in part to the concentration of menthol in peppermint essential oil. Peppermint is distilled from the flowering tops of peppermint plant. Cooling to the skin, peppermint is helpful for soothing. Camphor bark essential oil distilled from the Cinnamomum camphora tree is widely used in massage therapy for its ability to soothe affected areas. Blue chamomile or German chamomile has a warm, herbal aroma that is calming and soothing. If you're finding value in this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see more content just like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. doTERRA has 4 Deep Blue products. We have the Deep Blue Soothing Blend, which comes in a 5 milliliter bottle. We have the Deep Blue Polyphenol Complex. The Deep Blue Polyphenol Complex delivers polyphenol extracts of frankincense, turmeric, green tea, ginger, pomegranate, and grape seed, and is designed to provide soothing support to achy muscles and to other occasional discomfort. Deep Blue Rub, this comes in a lotion base. And then we have the Deep Blue Stick, which is also formulated to provide moisturizing benefits that leave your skin feeling soft and non-greasy. It also has copaiba in the formulation. Here are some great usage tips. You can apply on your feet and knees before and after exercise. Perfect for a soothing massage after a long day of housework or a workout. You can apply to your hands and feet after gardening, You can connect with your grandma by giving her a hand massage with Deep Blue. You can rub Deep Blue on your lower back after a day of heavy lifting at work or during a move. Massage Deep Blue with a few drops of fractionated coconut oil onto growing kids' legs before bedtime. And after long hours on the computer, try rubbing Deep Blue essential oil blend on your fingers, wrists, shoulders, and neck. If you suffer from the occasional headaches, I like to use a couple Deep Blue polyphenol complex along with the Deep Blue stick and apply this to your forehead, temples, and the back of your neck. And if you want, you could also apply the Deep Blue essential oil blend on top of that. Just remember that after you use the essential oils, to wash your hands after each use. And if you happen to accidentally get it in any sensitive areas, make sure to dilute that area with fractionated coconut oil or some type of carrier base. It could be lotion or it can be any other type of oil base. You never want to grab water because it will drive that essential oils even deeper and cause more discomfort. If you're wanting to learn more about essential oils, check out my playlist where I cover more essential oil blends and single oils and go over the properties and usage for each oil. Have a great day. Bye.